Hello, good morning guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I just received my purchase from Lazada. This is a massage pillow and I got this during the sale. So, as you know, if it's for sale, if it's on a flash sale in Lazada, it always is a return product. So, we cannot expect it to be brand new or really good looking. Yeah, so I expected this dents on the box. It's really is okay for me as long as it serves the purpose. So let's see. It has this charger, or I mean a power cord, a power source. It supports an input of 100 to 240 volts. So that's yeah, that qualifies as a household electronic for the Philippines. So we have the item and oh, we have a input for the car. It's available, yeah, since this product is says it's a car and home massage. Okay, let's try to open the massage pillow here. Wow, it's brown. I didn't expect the color to be this one. I never really specified a color for this, so yeah, I think it's cool. I like dark colors. I don't like flashy colors. So this is the input, and that should be the front. Okay. So yeah, in the box we have three items plus the manual. So just a quick scan on the manual. It's just actually a one page that's folded into four. It's just basic instructions. So I will not go over on the details of these instructions. It's just a plug and play. This one is not a chargeable device. So this will work once you plug it, and once you pull it out, then it's out also. So we have the chart, I mean the power source, the power lighter source for the car, the manual, and the pillow. Mhm. This is the part where you connect the power source. Let's try plugging this one in. As from the picture, this one should be you attach this okay, so it supports Philippine voltage 100 to 240. So if in other countries you're 110, this I suppose this will still work. Let's just make sure that's one. This one is attached. Okay, let's flip this one and let's try turning this on. It did not turn on. This might have problems. It's very inconvenient for me to return this one. Since it's pandemic, I don't want to be going out. That's why I had this shipped. Okay, let's try opening this one. Oh, so that's the mechanism there. This one is the power cord. I mean the button that connects to the electronic. Okay, so these two circles will be the one that will be circling to do the massage. Let's let's try sealing that back in and try. I'll check the power source if I really did that right. Okay, hold on. Let me just troubleshoot this one. I hope this is my problem and not with the device. Let's just check that real quick. Oh, there, it works. Yay! So, it was a user error, not a problem with the item. So that's a relief. It would be very traumatic to return this and go to the LBC, uh, LBC center. It's really perfect. It's working fine even if you just put on your hands. Oh, I see. So this device has three modes. Alright, so three modes. First, second, and third mode. I see. Also, this one doesn't have the heat, unlike the mode 1 and mode 2. So there, it stops. Okay, mode 1. Mode 1 is counterclockwise or just this direction. Maybe it's some I think it's a counterclockwise direction with the heating mode, and this mode 2 is a is a clockwise direction with the heating mode. I mean the heating feature. And third is the counterclockwise. Is the um, clockwise feature with no heating mode. All right. So my thoughts on this product. To, playing it slowly and in a slow mo. I think this one would really work for me, and I'm glad I bought this item. This is 600 something pesos. It's sale from being 1,500. The 600 pesos includes the shipping already, so it's around 400 something. Um, yeah, so this, even if you just lay your hands on it, especially that I'm always on a computer and typing, so I really need time to time to relax my hands and heated and massaged. This one works for me. I think this is convenient, even if I just put it on my desk. Yeah, it will give me a relief. And this one, the purpose of this one should be attached to your seat, and you can press your back on it. It will give you a massage on your back and then your waist. Maybe I can do that as well. But for now, I really like something that would massage my hands and heat it. So I would advise this. You get this kind of device, massager, because for now I'm that type of person who gets massages time to time. So since it's pandemic and massage massage and spas are closed, yeah, this can be a good alternative for that. This can still give you a fair massage at home. So this one is a thumbs up for me, and I would advise that you purchase this kind of item. So there you go. Thank you visiting my website and for checking this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So you can also comment or message me on what items you want me to review. I'll try my best to give you a good review.